Namaste, I'm Jivin Seema Panchal from Department of Journalism, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In this session today I will teach you about video production defined as the process in capturing moving images, then taking those moving images and combining them to make one smooth edited video. Video production includes four main stages: development, pre-production, production, post-production. Development stage to create the idea for the project, which includes writing up an outline. An outline is a step-by-step synopsis of what the production will be about or of the film script. A script contains dialogue and instruction for the production. Pre-production. It is usually called the planning stage, where you prepare the script for production. In addition, you can create a storyboard, assemble your crew, props and costumes if needed. Production stage, where the film or video is created and shot. Once you have assembled your crew, everyone goes off to their designated roles. The important roles in production: director. A director usually is in charge of managing the entire production and the ultimate vision of the piece. Before production, a director usually concentrates on the purpose of the script, trying to get an overall look and feel of the video. During rehearsal and recording, a director is making sure that everyone knows what they are doing as well as calling shots. In post production, a director ensures that everything was recorded and to thank everyone for helping. Production roles: producer. A producer is said to work side by side with a director, organizing aspects of the production. Before production, a producer usually comes up with the idea or finds the funding during rehearsal and recording, and when a director and producer work well together, then a producer may be either in or out the studio. In post production, a producer must handle social legal aftermath, such as thanking our guests and have copies been made for them. Director of photography, who is also known as the floor manager, is responsible for managing what is happening in the studio and communicating with on-air talent. Before production, they handle the talent, making sure they are catered to their needs. During rehearsal and recording, they should give talent hand cues in order to become familiar with them. In post production, helps with cleaning up the studio and returning props to its place. Production roles: in bigger productions, you will run to many other positions before and during production. Many of these positions always offer assistant positions. The 5 C's in production. The 5 C's include camera angles, cutting, composition, close-ups, continuity. Camera angles, 180-degree rule, cutting, composition, close-ups, camera shots. Continuity is a logical coherence between shots, giving a sense of realism. It is essential to pay attention to every detail. The last stage is post-production stage, where you take raw footage that was shot and turn it into a nice smooth film. Editing can be very complex but takes practice to get it to a professional level. Logging the film, taking raw footage and organize into folders or bins on your computer. Special effects and soundtrack is an additional piece to add onto your project but can change the mood of the film entirely. With this, today's session is ended here. Tomorrow we will discuss another topic. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it soon.